Well, they can use their previous operating system or they can use their existing operating system as long as it's been supported by the publisher. When an operating system has been supported by their own publisher, that means they're releasing all those security updates, they're releasing all those updates that make that operating system be able to work with other software. You're using the computer, you have like Google Chrome, you have different type of browser, you have your Microsoft Office installed, you have your QuickBooks installed, but the operating system is a base, like a table. You have your applications or your stuff sit on those. So that operating system needs to be supporting those applications that you're using that computer for. Otherwise, what happens is you're going to face incompatibility issue or you're not receiving the security updates, so your computer's in the risk of getting those viruses and getting hacked.